Welcome to Malaka. Malaka is a food heaven, is what you will most likely hear when you are inquiring about the small and historical city. On top of being an ideal destination filled with the wonders of ancient buildings and colonial structures. This is how you could instantly make fresh juice in Malacca in Malaysia. If you want to make slushy watermelon, you definitely need ripe watermelon with a chilled, and then knife and a beater. The cut deep around the stem to allow to insert the beater head.